A dry throat is a common condition that often occurs during the cooler months of the year. It can occur at any time, however, depending upon the cause. Allergies, colds and flu, sinus congestion, smoking, environmental irritations, and other conditions that lead to mouth breathing are common causes. Saltwater gargle. Salt inhibit the growth of some disease-occupying germs and can be safely used to rinse the mouth and throat to relieve the dryness and irritation. Gargling with the warm water, rinse it once or twice daily may soothe your throat. Gargle for 30 to 60 seconds, then spit the liquid into the sink. Honey and tea. Honey has natural antiseptic and soothing effects. Its thick texture coats the throat and may help to relieve the dryness and irritation. Honey mixed into the tea may also help to relieve any dry throat symptoms. Fluids. A dry throat can be a symptom of dehydrating and dehydration. Drinking plenty of fluids can directly soothe the throat dryness and relieve the dehydration. If present, some people find hard fluid some soothing, and while other people cold liquids. Take frequent sip of water and fluid provide the most comfort for you. Gum or candy. It will stimulate the flow or saliva in your mouth and throat. Once saliva production increases, your throat should gradually become more moist. It's best to option for the sugarless varieties for gum and hard candy, especially if you are dealing with chronically dry throat. Ginger. Ginger has many medicinal benefits associated with it. This is due to the presence of bioactive compounds called gingerol. Other than this, ginger is also known to stimulate the saliva. This is why help in keeping your mouth fresh for a long period.